So we know that CIPD members and the HR profession are really keen to understand the detail of the Employment Rights Bill and when it's likely to pass into law. At the moment, it's in the committee stage where members of the House of Lords are scrutinising the bill line by line. At the moment, that's taking some time, but we think it should be done either at the beginning of June or the middle to the end of June. Alongside that, we've been working with peers, briefing them on some of our key concerns, like the potential details around a new probation period and 0 hours contracts as well. And we've been working with Labour peer Lord Pitt-Keithley on an amendment that would see HR consultants being for the first time able to advise individuals on settlement agreements. The aim of this would be to support the wider enforcement system and help with disputes in an area where there's been backlogs in recent years, and there's likely to be more, according to government figures, following the implementation of the Employment Rights Bill. So what do you need to know? Well, in terms of the timelines, the government want the bill to be passed by the summer. So that means 22nd of July for the government timetable. But at that point, there'll still be more that we need to know. So we'll know a lot at that stage. The substantive legislation will be done, but there'll be a whole load of areas that will be dealt with in secondary legislation. So the details of that probation period, details around 0 hours contracts, and some of the trade union regulations as well, that will be subject to consultation and further regulation. If you want to know more about that, if you want to keep on top of that, you can find out more on the CIPD website. We'll be updating that regularly. And for those of you who are members, you can also see our employment law tracker, where we go line by line at some of the key measures that will impact HR professionals when this all comes in.